today we are going to do a toy reveal, and now yeah, I count it because I choose the most. Yeah. So today I am showing you all my toys and soft toys and any kind of toys, every kind of toys I have. So first, let's look at my best toy is Millie. Yeah, she is Millie, and she is a robin bird. Yeah. This is her, and next is, maybe you can see that, is the white one. She is Snow, and she also have a twin, which is a boy. Yeah, she is Snow, always lying down with an unhappy face. Yeah. And the next two more. Okay, let's talk about her twin. This is her twin. He is chocolate, the brown one, but I don't really like him. Yeah, I abandoned him a few months ago because I dropped her. I dropped him on the airport. Yeah, on the ground. Hinting. Okay, so next is, yeah, that one. Well, it's a horse from Spirit. It's £12 to buy it. So she is Ash. Well, yeah. She can't stand properly. Yeah. She fell again. Yeah. Again and again. Yeah. I don't care. So her hair are sparkly, and yeah, and it's hard. Yeah. Then the head can move, only the head, and the hair. Yeah, let's ride on it. Wow. Yeah, so bye. Bye. Oh yeah, forgot one toy. Oh yeah, I don't want to show it. It's abandoned. You can see in one of my old videos, and it's from my English teacher. Yeah, that's all. So, Millie, say bye. Millie, say bye.